Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, this is what we are going to design. We are going to learn how to create a beautiful birthday flyer using our smartphone. Yes, that is using the Pixellab as part of the smartphone graphic design tutorials that we have embarked on for this year 2025 and beyond. So please, if this seems to be interesting to you, if you are using a smartphone, then I'll recommend these tutorials to you. Kindly get the resources, all the details that I use, and then practice along, and then when you are done, you send it to me on my channel, and then let's discuss it. And then you can once again join my Telegram page, my WhatsApp group, and let's have fun. Let's discuss graphic design over there. If you want the resources file and the the PLP file again, just link up. There's a link under this video or in the description of this video. Just tap on the link, join the page or the other resources page or platform, download them and practice for free. So without wasting my time, let's begin. So I'll just start everything from scratch. So I'll go to my default and then I'll click on OK to get everything at the beginning. Okay, get everything at the beginning. So I'll go to the background and go and just import the background from my gallery. Yes, import the background from my gallery. So this is the background that I've already worked on it. Click on it this way and boom, you are good to go. You are good to go. You are good to go. I've already combined, I think, three backgrounds together to achieve this awesome background as you are seeing. So with the text selected, I'll go to the edit and then go and type. Type on happy. Yeah, so my happy birthday. Good. So click on OK and then change all to caps, and let's go and change the font. Yes, let's go and change the font. And guys, you can use this idea to create your own birthday flyers. Yes, you can use this idea to create your own birthday flyers. Okay, so let me just use popping for an example sake. Yes, let me just use poppins, and then we push it to the top this way. You can reduce the size, not you can, it's a must reduce the size. Yes, reduce the size to something little, something 60 is okay, or yes, perfect. Then position it at the center using your center and then alignment. Okay, center alignment. And then let's go and change the color to a gradient, and this is the gradient we set. You already have this gradient, so if you don't have this gradient, we learn in most of our previous tutorials, we learn how to what mix gradient colors. Yes, we learn how to mix a gradient colors. Then I'll copy the text and then position it this way, then go to edit and then write a teacher. So we said teacher. Yes, a teacher. So change all to caps, so meaning it's a teacher. And then we are going to change the font. Yes, we are going to change the font to something that's what we use. So we use this font. Yes, so it's a teacher. Then scale it up this way. Perfect. And we are going to change the gradient color as well to something like this. Perfect. This is okay. So we said a teacher. Then go and edit it again. Copy and then type a mentor. Go and edit and write mentor. So mentor is a teacher, a mentor, and a leader. So position it this way. Perfect. Then copy it again and then we write a leader. Yes, a leader. So these are the three qualities we indicated over there. So scale it up a bit and then position it well. Yes, position it well. And then that one we use a different gradient. Yes, we use a different gradient. So yes, this is the gradient we use. No, this is the gradient we use. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So click on OK like this, and boom, that is it. I think we didn't use this font, so let's go and change the font. Yes, let's go and change the font. Let's see which font did we use. Did we use something like a Bebas? No, not a Bebas font. Not a Bebas font. Not a Bebas font. Let's still go, and I'm sure we'll get the font used somewhere this areas. Yes, we'll get it here. We'll get it here. And at least for the purpose of the tutorials, you can use any font for the meantime. Yes, for the purpose of the tutorials, not to be too long. Yes, you can use any font at all. Yes, provided the font you are using has a very good interface that will be able to communicate what you are saying. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I think Evagoria is okay. Yes, Evagoria is okay. Evagoria is somehow okay. So position it this way. Go and edit this one as well, or go and change the font as well to that of the recent font we use. Perfect, 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 perfect. So this is okay. And then we have to reduce the size a bit because it's making it bolder than that of the teacher. Perfect, perfect. Then a leader too must change. Okay, so we are using the same font. Perfect, 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 perfect. And then we need to reduce the size a bit. Perfect. This is okay. And that is okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So meaning we need to lock everything. Yes, we need to lock everything. Yes, we need to lock everything. So everything is locked so that it doesn't what interfere in, or whenever we click on something, it doesn't what interrupt. Okay, then we are going to the background, sorry. We are going to import, then go and import the image. Yes, so this is the image we use. Sorry, this image has a background. Better still, I have removed the background already, so I'll use that one. So this is it. I've removed the background already. Then I'll position it here. Perfect. I'll position it here. Position it here. And then lock it again. Perfect. 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 Then I'll go to my shape side. Go and then reduce the size, radius to 100%. Then reduce the size a bit this way. Click on the check mark and then go and change the color and use a gradient color. Yes, we are using this gradient color. And guys, I've set the gradient already. So I'll go to a copy and then position it, scale it up this way. Go to the color size, change it to a color, and then use color white. Yes, use color white. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now position, center, and align. Perfect. Now go and pick the first color in which you set it as gradient, and then center and align again. And then bring it forward. Yes, go here and then bring it forward. So to front. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then we are going to write the name on it. Now you write the name. So Pastor Alex Edu Boache, thank you. So this is the name. Change all to caps, and then let's reduce it this way. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Then we are going to reduce the size to something small like this, and then change the font. Yes, change the font to a font we have just used. Yes, a font we have just used. You can change the font to any font provided is okay for you. Okay. Oh, sorry. You see, that's the reason why I always ask you to lock your layers. Yes, see the reason. So let me lock this ones. Okay, so now the text selected, I need to readjust them well and then position it at the center this way, and then change the color of the text to white. Yes, I think white will be okay. So change the color to that of white. Perfect. And I think it's okay. Then we can group all this two shapes and the name together and reduce the size this way, and then we position it here. Yes, we position it here. Awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome. Then we are going to the import image. Then we have this image in which we have removed the background. So I'll just cut one. Yes, I'll just cut one. Perfect. And then reduce the size, position it this way, and then bring it here. Okay, reduce the size this way, and then position it here, and write your details on it. Maybe you want a long life for the image or whoever is celebrating the image. Okay, so you may say Grace. Perfect. So click on it and then go and change the font. Okay, always change the font to a font that will communicate well. So Grace is okay. So this Grace is okay. Then I think part of the font is cutting, so let me use leading. Yes, let me use leading to make sure that all the parts is showing. Perfect. Then I'll position it on it. I think I need to reduce the size. Yes, I need to reduce the size of the text. Reduce the size of the text to something small, and this is okay. And change the color as well to that of maybe a black or a white. And I think white is okay. Yes, white is okay. So Grace, perfect, this is okay. Then I will lock it. Okay, I will lock it. Then come and copy this one. Okay, come and copy this one, and then position it here, and then we change the color. Yes, and I think the first one too, we need to change the color. Yes, we need to change the color. So this one, we choose this, and then let's see the first one. Okay, so let's see the first one. We have to change the color as well. We need to change the color and then use a gradient. Yes, let's use a gradient, and this is okay. So that is it. Then the Grace, let's go and copy the text. Yes, let's copy the Grace text, then position it on the second shape, and then edit and write maybe what again, prosperity. Prosperity. Good. So this is it. Then click on OK, and then you position it on it. Okay, always position it on it. Okay, always position it on it this way, and if it's okay, then you lock it. Okay, if it's okay, then you lock it. I think this one needs to be locked, and then here we need to open it up this way. Perfect. Then go and then select the prosperity text. Yes, then position it well using your arrow keys. Yes, position it well using your arrow keys. And guys, basically this is awesome. If you have something like a date, time, and then other relevant information, then you add them to it. Okay, or if you have any message, a happy birthday message in which you want to put it on it, you can even create a shape this way. You can create a shape this way, position it at this side. Okay, position it at this side, and then maybe you can change the color. Okay, you can change the color to that of this. Okay, let me use a gradient this way, or better still, this gradient will be okay. Okay, or better still, you can come back and change it this way, and then just do your necessary details over there. So put your message on it, and guys, after that, you know what it is, or you know what to do. Just go and then save it. So let me delete this one, and after that you go to your save option and save it to your smartphone gallery. Please subscribe to this channel. I always tell you that subscribe to this channel, like, share. If you subscribe, turn on the notification bell for all. Okay, turn on the notification bell for all. In so doing, whenever I upload any video on this channel, you'll be the first person to watch the video and then practice and post it on your social media handles. I always tell you this thing, but it seems you don't listen. Please listen for me. Listen for me. Just listen and then do it for me. Yes, so please subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and then again comment so that I'll get to know how this video is helping you in any other way, or how you have learned something today from my video. I love you. I will see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now.